turns out that Part C has a lot of similarities with Part B and with Part A, so I'm just going to kind of fix a couple things here. So one thing we want to note is that while sure some things are different, a couple things that we're dealing with in Part B. The normal force still balances the weight like it did in Part B. And, I should actually write that more clearly. The normal force still balances the weight like it did in Part B. And so we're going to get that the normal force pushing up on the big mass is balanced by the weight. However, we actually have acceleration in the system, and the other thing that we're dealing with here is we're actually dealing with a coefficient of friction. And we're going to assume that this is a given. So one more given that we can take here is, I'm going to actually write this slightly differently. I'm going to write that we now have a kinetic friction, and we have a known mu k that is less than mu s, and I should have written that properly. Sorry about that. So that's what our friction force is equal to, and our goal is to obtain the acceleration and the tension in the system. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So we have the tension minus mu k big M times G equals big M times little a. I feel like if I had a kid and he became a rapper, I would maybe, okay, you know what, forget it. All right, so then the next part, a little a. That's what I was thinking. Okay, so mg, wrong color. So mg minus t equals little m times my unknown a. So I got some substitution I can do here. I'm going to go ahead and substitute in for t. So I'm going to solve for t here, and that's going to give me mu k big M times g plus big M times a. And I'll just go ahead and shove that into formula 2 here. So putting these together, I'm going to end up getting mg minus mu k mg minus m a equals little m times a. And so let's get our knowns on one side. So we're going to get mg minus mu k big mg. And when I isolate, I'm going to divide both sides by m plus m. And that's going to be what my a is equal to. Do that algebra. Don't ask me how to do it. You need to do it. Okay? This is AP Physics. You have to put on your big people pants. All right. So that's it for the acceleration. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and get my tension. And I'm actually going to do this on a separate page because it's kind of a mess. Because I'm going to show you how I like this done. Okay, this is pretty brutal. And so check this out. When I go to this new page here, so I'm going to say solving for the tension. Because I'm excited. Wait, where did... Ooh, my goodness. All the way down there. Let's move that up a little bit. No, look at that. And we have this. I'm going to get rid of that. Well, I'm going to put it here. So that's our acceleration, right? Now, our goal, again, is to actually solve for the tension force. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. Okay, so here we go. The tension is going to be mu k, big mg, plus m. Oh my gosh, here we go. mg minus mu k big mg over big M plus little m. I just put that whole mess in for a. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find, are you ready? You ready? A common denominator to combine these two terms and get it in one fraction. So here we go. We've got the tension equals, gosh, I can hardly wait to do this. You don't even know how excited I am. Mu k, big M times G times, oh my gosh, big M plus M over, look at all this algebra. God, love it. Okay, plus I have neighbors upstairs. I wonder if they can hear me saying all this stuff. I probably sound demented. Okay, big M, little m times G minus mu k, big M squared times G over big M plus little m. All right, let's simplify this out. So here's what I'm noticing. I'm noticing I've got a positive mu k m g m and a negative one here, so those cancel. And then I have a mu k m little m and a mu k m little m here. So it looks like what's going to actually happen for this tension when I solve for it and simplify, I'm going to end up getting at this tension equals, are you ready for it? 2 mu k little m big M times g over big M plus little m. That's just the best answer. I'm so happy with that answer. That's my ideal answer. If you hand me in this, I mean, I'll accept it, but I'm just going to draw a frowny face here to communicate my absolute level of contempt and disgust for such an ugly expression. Not for you, dear angel of a student. I think you're awesome, but I'm just saying this algebra here it's less than my ideal. Alrighty, so that was part C. I'm especially sassy for this part because I've been recording videos for today. So I hope that was helpful. Hit me up if you need anything, alright? Thanks.